Now tell me, how do you write it? Hmm. Okay, which formula we use? Yes. So before using the formula, first you have to check Anya. You have to check degree. Yeah, good evening, Kia. Kia and Ananya, where's the homework students? Why you didn't send? Okay, do it now. These questions completed first. Can you see the screen? Okay, cross check. That's complete. Others try this students. First complete it. Use a square minus b square. Yes. Okay. Second step, how does this look like? A square minus b square, right? So you have to do it. Okay, I have to keep practicing. If not, you'll forget. Use a square minus b square. So 4 is a perfect square. 2x the whole square minus 3y the. After this, y into. Hmm. That's it. This is the answer. See, these are few tough questions, students. That's the reason I've given it for homework. Try the next one. Which formula can we use for the next one? What's the degree given for the next one? Cube. But 0.064 doesn't have a cube. So first convert it. A cube minus 0.064. So a cube minus b cube, but 0.064 doesn't have cube. How do you convert this, students? Were all of you present when I taught this? First remove the decimal. What do you get? 64 divided by how many? Anya, 1 minute, 1 minute. Anya, can you answer this? 64 divided by, when you remove the decimal, what do you get? 1000. Now I need a cube. Is 64 a perfect cube? Yeah, what is 64 value? 4 cube. What is 1000? 10 cube. So take cube outside, write 4 divided by 10. What is 4 divided by 10, students? So you have to write 0.5 for the whole. I'll write a cube minus b cube formula. A minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So what is A minus B value? A minus 0.4. A minus 0. I've written it in between. In middle, I have written it, right? Okay, let me write it like this. 0.4a plus. What is 4? 0.4 into 0.4 students. 0. Stars. Okay, completed all of you? Completed this? Hmm. What about Delicia? Done? Yeah. See, from each exercise students, all three exercises I've given different question. Next, we have three terms. Anya, did you go through yesterday's recording? You know how to solve when we have three terms? No, 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 not like that. Not like that. You should go through the previous class. Not you won't understand. It's not possible. It's a lengthy concept. Others, can you tell me, students? When we have three terms, what do we do? To multiply? Yes. Here you can't split the middle term directly. The multiply. So what do you get? 39 into 2 is? Yes. Multiply, students. Minus 39 into 2x minus 78. Find all the factors of 78. Okay. Anya and Delicia, both of you were absent, right? You all can leave the class, students. Do one thing. Go through yesterday's recording and attend tomorrow. Right? How many times to tell you all to go through the recording? Now you won't understand this part. This is a new exercise. Okay, fine. Anya and Delicia, yesterday's and today's recording I'll upload. Go through the recording. Attend tomorrow, students. Tomorrow I'll be starting new chapter. I clearly told you all if you all are absent to go through the recording. Just like that, if you are fine, Anya. At least today you should have watched, right? First 15-20 minutes, you would have understood the concept. You are not worried about class, homework. Now you all won't be able to attend. Anya and Delicia. For others, thought students. Yes, for others, I've thought you all won't be able to understand. You can't solve it. Okay. When did we start this? Others, can you all tell me when we started this exercise? Yesterday, right? Okay. Go through yesterday's class. Anya and Delicia, go through yesterday's class and attend tomorrow's students. Fine. It's a lengthy concept. It would take 15-20 minutes to explain everything. So when others are there, again, I can't keep explaining all this. Yes, log in tomorrow. You all can leave. Log in tomorrow. Guys, you can leave. Go through the recording and log in tomorrow. See, this is the problem. If you don't watch the recording, students, next day, it would be tough. Hello. Yes, sir, yes, sir. No, there is- I told you to watch the recording. Not attend this regular, what's the point of the time that is there? They will go now we can ask us what we are last class you also attend, right? Right? Because in late, so not a- so we will- and we will just take the time and time for the school, what the school started to do, right? 7:30 or after join. Before immediately 7:30 or to join in this year. And then after that, a few hours later, okay, fine. Go to the yesterday's recording and join tomorrow. Okay. Fine, Delisha. Now without that I can't teach, right? Even others, I have to teach even others. So it would be tough. Okay, tell even Anya I've shared the recording in the group. Just check once. No, no, stay online. Yeah, stay online and check. Can you see I've sent today's class? Hmm. Yeah, that is new exercise, Delisha. Tell even Anya. Okay. Attend that. See, even today's, you have to miss even today's class. Even today's, go through the recording and attend tomorrow. Yes, you can leave. I mean, yeah, you can disconnect, Delisha. Yes, you can disconnect. Bye. Yes, all of you are done, completed. Minus 78 students. What do you get? What are the factors? Okay, which one gives minus 7? Okay, 1 into 78 next, 2 into 39, 3 into 26. Even this doesn't give 7. 4 into, okay, let me take direct answer. 6 into 13, you'll get 7 into 13, right? So let me write 2x square, 6, 13 minus 39. What's the sign before 7, students? Before 7, what sign do we have? So where could you put minus? Which is greater, 6 or 13? So you have to put before the greatest value. So it becomes 13x. What should I put before 6? Minus or plus? Okay, what if I put minus? Tell me what will you get if you put minus? No, no, if I put minus, Bhargav, if I put minus, what's the answer, students? Will you get 7 or 19? Getting 19, right? Did you understand the logic, all of you? Is it clear? Okay, so the greatest sign, put plus here. Okay, only if you put plus, you'll get minus 7. Now what is common? 2x is common, x plus 3. Take the first sign minus. Next, what's the next answer? X plus 3. All of you got this answer? Hmm? Okay, this is what I had given for homework. Okay, next question. Try this one, students. How do you solve this? X minus y is given, xy is given, x plus y. Which formula we use? Unmute and answer. Which formula we use? Do you add or subtract them? What's the degree? What's the degree given for x and y? For everything, the degree is 1, right? What did I tell? Whenever the degree is 1, which formula we use? You have to square and add them, or square and subtract. Which one I have to use out of these two? Why nobody is replying? Yeah. What about others? Why nobody is replying? Ananya, Tony, Bhargavi, Kia. There is addition and subtraction. So for addition, what do you get? What's the formula for addition? For subtraction? So what value is given here? XY value is given or AB value? So which one I have to use? Which one, students? Less or minus? Do I add or subtract? Subtraction. Yes, use subtraction. And just because x minus y, yeah, tell me. Yes, Bhargavi, I'll take class for expansion. But this formula I've taught you, right? So what's the degree given here? What's the degree we have? Fine, I'll teach you this. I'll teach this on Saturday. Others completed. Yeah, others complete. See, what's the value given here, students? X minus y is given or x plus y value is given? Which one? X minus y is given, right? Even if x minus y is given, the formula you should write it like this: x plus y the whole square minus x minus y the whole square is equals to 4xy. Don't put minus in the beginning. Okay, Tony, not Delicia. Tony and Bhargavi, I'll teach on Saturday. This formula is you all can skip this. Ananya, Kia, and Angel completed. If not, anyway, Saturday I'm doing, students. If you all have any doubts, log in on Saturday. I'll take special class. Yes, what's the answer, students? Not minus. If minus goes the other side, yes. How much is 96 plus 25? Okay. The square goes to the other side, becomes square root. X plus y is equal to plus minus square root of 121 is 11. Done, Kia and Angel. Shall we try the next one? Okay. See, students, 7:30 we started, half an hour. I mean 7:40, 20 minutes. If you don't complete homework, this is what happens. 20 minutes you have wasted and you have to start the next exercise. Yes, Kia. 8:45, every day 8:45. See, 15 minutes for homework, students. Whatever homework doubts you'll have, first 15 minutes you can get it clarified. Okay. Another 1 hour. In between, I'll give break and 15 minutes for class. Fine. How many questions did we solve? Can you all check and let me know? How many questions we have done? Yes, students, unmute the call. How many questions we have done in 4D? Check the. 1 minute. The 10th one. Check properly. 10th is done, right? 15th also done. You have to start from the 17th. Okay. See, factorize. How many terms are there, students? All of you look at the screen. Total how many terms are there? This is one term. This is one. Total two terms. But nothing is common. So open the bracket 3 minus. When you open the bracket, what you get? 4x minus. Yes, give me the call. 4x minus 7x. Right? Okay. 4x minus 7x square. And what did I tell you? Whichever has degree 1 should always be in the middle. 4x is in the middle. If you want, you can rearrange this, students. Minus 7x square, you can write it first. Minus 4x plus 3. Right? Here, can you see? Our answer shouldn't start with minus. Question should not start with minus. That's the reason they have put minus 7x square in the last. But the concept is same. Okay, how do you solve this question? Tell me, how do you solve? There are three terms. You have to multiply first and the last. You get minus 21x square. Find all the factors of 21. You have to get minus 4. Tell me which one gives minus 4. 1 into 21 next. 3 into 7. We are getting this right. Okay. See, you can keep this as it is, students. We'll keep it as this value, like this. We'll still get the answer. So keep 3 as it is, minus 7x square as it is. 3 and 7. Where should I put this 4? Minus, before 4 there is minus. Should I put 3 or 7? Yes, before, not before 3, which is greater, Kia. Giving wrong answers. Which is greater, 3 or 7? Hmm? So put 4 minus. Then before 3, what sign should I put, students, so that I get 4? Plus or minus? Hmm. Substitute. Factor. Yes. So what do you get? 1 plus x. That's it. So look, usually we'll have degree 2 in the beginning, but here we have it in the last. The reason is it was minus. No problem. But one thing you'll have to remember, which one should be in the between, students? In between, which one should be degree 1 or 2? Yes. Whichever has degree 1, that you have to split into 2 parts, not degree 2. Which one was this? 16, 17. 18th is given. 18, 19, 20, 21. 4 questions left. Okay. Now, yeah, take break, students, up to 8:15. 6 minutes break. After that, we'll continue. Yes, students, all of you online. Shall we start the next? Okay, which question? The 15 is done. 18, hmm, 18 is also fine, easy. 19th question. We'll try the 19th one. X square y square minus 12xy minus 45. Yeah, try this. See, even if you have x square y square, it doesn't matter. Take the first and last one. Minus 45 x square y square. Factorize this. Check which combination will give 12. First tell me the value, students, then you all can continue. 3 into 15, yes. Yes, x square, y square. What do you get? 3 and 15. And before 12, we have minus. Where should I put this minus, students? What we are right? Plus 3. What about this xy? You have tried? Here. Can you see xy is given, right? Yes. For both. Yes, for both. Xy is common. Xy plus 3 minus. Factorize 15 and 45. Start with 3 or 5 times table. 5 threes are 5 15s are 3 ones are 3 fives are. What's the HCF? 15. Okay, that's it. So how many questions are there? Fine. Let's try the 18th one, students. 18th question. All of you are completed? Tony, Angel done? Ananya? Okay, 18th. Look at the 18th one, students. Mark 18th as important. Mark it as important. 18th one. 24x cube plus 37 x square minus 5x. Fine. You can solve it directly. Or before solving, tell me what is common to them. What is common to all three? All three, what is common? X is common. In bracket, what do you get? Minus. Can you see now the degree is changed into 1? All of you understood this? Right? Yes. Now use this. Multiply the first and last. Try this question. Last question. Tomorrow we'll revise or start new chapter. Get it? Okay. What do you get here? Minus 5 fours are 20, 120. So which one gives 37, students? 3 into 4. 4 into 30 also gives 37. How can 4 into 30 give 37? What calculation is that? Bhargavi, when you add and subtract, you should get. Where are we getting 37? Straight away you'll get 0, Bhargavi. Okay. So it is 3 into what? 3 into 40, right? 40 minus 3, you get that. Yes. 3 and 40. What is Kia doing? Why Kia is not replying? Not answering? Is Kia online? See, this is the problem I was telling yesterday. You all attend. Suddenly in between your leave, not responding. Then later you'll tell software problem, this problem. Okay, plus is 37. Before 37 there is plus 40. What should I put before 3? Minus or plus? Minus. X as it is. What is common? Okay, 8x minus plus 8x minus x as it is. 8x minus 1 into. Check the answer in textbook. Is it given like this or they have multiplied? Is it 8x square minus? Yeah, I think this is the answer. Yeah, Kia, why did you leave? I removed you from the meeting. Why not responding? I know, Kia. I know. Even after giving break, why you don't have a water bottle? Already had given break, right? Reasons, multiple reasons you keep answering. Questions, there is no answer. That's what I told yesterday. I know about you and Bhargavi. Bhargavi is top, but you're doing the same thing. I know, Kia. In between, you'll attend, you'll leave. Water, food. Okay, all of you completed. What's the answer, students? Is it correct? Which question is this? 20. 18th question. Is it correct? 18th one? See, in your textbook, the question might be different. Question number might be different. Check 4D. Yes, why no response? You don't have textbook with you all? Correct? Right? This is the answer. Okay. Last question. See, 20th we have done. 18th done, 19th done. 20 and 21 is left. Will you try it for homework? 20, 21? From 22, everything is cancelled. Is it cancelled from 22? Somebody told me, I think. 24. What about 22 and 23? There. Okay, 22 and 23. 23 will do. 22 you all can try. 22 and 23 are safe. So mark this question as important. Which one was this? 18th, right? 18th is important, students. Before solving, you have to factorize. Then you have to solve. Okay, last one question. Last question. From 24, everything is cancelled. Okay. 22 is same. 23 is also same. Let me solve 23rd question. 3 into 2a minus b the whole square minus 28. Fine. Now look at the bracket values. Are the bracket values same? 2a and minus b. See, whenever you get such questions, students, instead of this, what if I write like this? Instead of this, let me write 3y square 19y plus 28. Now, isn't it easy to solve? We multiply the first and last, correct? Yes, I want you all to answer, students. Isn't it easy if you compare? So here in place of y, what have we taken in place of y? What should we write? Okay, so remember this, students, mark even this as important. Whenever we have equal values here in three terms question, whenever we have equal values in bracket, you can't take it common. Instead of that, what you do, you replace them. You can take this as y or x. I have taken it as y. So in place of that, I have put y square, 9y, 19y, 28. Is this clear? Conversion, first line. Okay, solve this question. Later I'll tell you. Later you have to represent the answer. Yes, multiply these two. So you get 3 into 28y square. 144y square. Find the factors so that you should get 19. Twenty-eight into, sorry, it is wrong, students. What I've done is wrong. Why did I write 144? 28 into 3. What's 28 into 3? Yeah, 84. Sorry, factor is 84. 1 into 84. 3 8s are 24, 3 2s are 6, 7 8, 84. Okay, 2 into 40, 3 into which one gives 84? Which one gives 19? 7 into what about 7 and 12? Does it give 19? All of you got it till here, students. 7 into 12 gives 19, right? So 3y square, 7 and 12y. Where should I put minus? 4 before 12. And what should I put before 7 so that I get 19? No, if I put plus, what is, yes. If I put plus 7, what will we get? If I put plus 7, we are getting only 5, right? Yes, we get only 5. So you have to put minus. Fine. Next, what is common? Y is common. 3 minus 3y minus 7. Your start from 2 times table. I'll write the direct value, students. 4 will be common for this. 4. Okay, then what do you get? 3y minus 7. Clear? Did you all understand till here? 3y minus 7 completed. Now what is common, students? 3y minus 7 into y minus. Okay, that's it. This is the answer. But this is not the end. In place of y, what you have to substitute? What you have taken y as? Yeah. This is what you have taken y as. Now complete it. Add and subtract. Complete the answer. Okay, we are done with this factorization. Similar question 22. You'll have to try the 22nd question. I'll write it. Three twos are 6a minus 3b minus 7. 2a minus b minus 4. This is the answer. Understood all of you? Completed? Kia, did you understand? Kia, Angel, Tony? Okay. One question is similar to this. Try it for homework, students. Take down the homework question now. See, 22nd. How will you all solve 22nd question? What will you take y as? Yes. So you have to mention here. You have to mention, what will you mention here? Take 3a plus b as is equals to, you can take it as x or y, anything is fine. What will you take? Okay, you can take x or y. Okay, if you take x, what will you get, your students? 5x square plus 6x minus 8. Okay, try this 22nd question for homework. Next, take down the homework questions. These are the questions for homework. One. Okay, a cube minus b cube, one formula. This is question. Fine, I'll post it. I'll share it in the group later. Yes, students done. All of you all completed.